March 10. Today is the National Buntis Day. So we are celebrating this. Aside from for our buntis, we have also the Women's Month celebration. So nayaman tayo dagitoy buntis tayo, especially the least area from La Trinidad, Itogon, Sablan, Tuba, and Tublay to join us these activities. So we have different services. So aside from yung health education lectures, we have also the laboratory, we have your HIV screening, yung sa random blood sugar, yung sa syphilis screening, and of course, anemia screening. And we have also partners from the Unilab. Meron tayong bone screening and also mga free medicines. We also provide vaccination, tetanus toxoid vaccination, and ultrasound services. Ayun. And also, our consultants, yung mga doctors natin ngayon is from the Philippine Obstetrics and Gynecological Society. So, mga obstetrician, gynecologists yung mga doctors natin consulting our clients. We have the first lecture kanina, yung prenatal check-up. Importante talaga na ma-check up yung mga buntis natin. Actually, before kang magbuntis, dapat alam mo yung sa nutrition mo, yung health status mo, mga screening test natin para alam natin kung may infection na ongoing, and then mabigyan ng sapat na nutrition para yung pag nanganak ka, at least healthy si baby, healthy rin si
Actually, very helpful na ito kasi kumbaga one-stop shop package. So, from the moment kayo muna kami, the registration, tapos iturong na ka vital signs, at very helpful kasi ma-monitor mo nga ma-monitor mo yung health mo while you are pregnant, and then after the vital signs, adadadagin yung doctor's training nga available da. At very informative nga yung advices da. So, no shock nga medyo ada suggestion ng diabetes ko. Sa ngayon nga, mas dagay questions ko na sumbatan. And then at the same time, ada iti laboratories mo lang kung ultrasound. So, free. Isuna, adu dagiti pregnant mothers ngayon nga maka-afford iso ti may isang reason no kay nga handa nga pa-check up. At dito gawin ka libre on. So, basta tayo siya magpa-laboratory at free, na-check mo lang dagiti body chemistry. So, normal math, and we also have dental, free mat laang. So, adamot lang dagiti dentist kayo dagiti advices about what we should do while we are pregnant. Kasama dagiti medicine available dagiti pharmacy. So, nainay ka anak mo lang iti vitamins.